this is going to last. All that other bull is here today and gone tomorrow.
Hi, I'm Guntert, and this is today's word. Today's word is bolts. Bolts are not like bolts that you screw into nuts. Bolts are solid landings, no stutter, can't have wavy arms. We don't like any of that stuff. You can just throw it out. Throw it out. Do you know what bolts means? Bolts is when you have a proper execution of a trick, and when you land it and ride away with style and grace. You know what I mean? Bolts is when you're, oh my God, that was not bolts. Oh, that was not bolts. Ooh.
Pencil.
It's way too fly, like the ecliptic is fun to see. Remind me of Hey You Guys, the Electric Company. Big Little Side ID, Willoughby, and silly me villainy in this ill-built soliloquy. Came through to do the through the tool, to the groove and confuse your crew like Rubik's Cube. The metal mask, face mangled, purple cape, found a way to smash the triangle through the circle shape. Faster than a team of apes, microphone bandit. Taller than the solar system, 9 known planet.
Pencil.
Thanks for checking out today's word. I'll catch you all on the flip side. Bolts.